Hey guys, today we're in Copart in New Jersey to pick up our new boat project that we scored for $150. We're going to show how we load it up and hopefully everything goes as planned.
Try a little bit higher with the jack, I guess.
Here I am at Copart trying to get this boat on the trailer. We're using the winch on the trailer and we're just cranking it on. This part was difficult because I got a bad knee, but we somehow managed to get it on. Here's a quick look of the interior of the boat. It's a 2000 Crownline 202br. We now got the boat loaded up on the trailer and we're heading out. As you can see, there's plenty of vehicles at Copart and another boat getting ready to put up on blocks. Here's a quick walk around the boat. Considering it was only $150, I think it's in excellent condition. It needs some buffing and some engine work. Carburetor's taken off, but overall the hull is in great shape. About 10 miles up the road away from Copart, we busted up a wheel bearing. The wheel started smoking, so we pulled into a parking lot. And when we were pulling into the parking lot, the front axle snapped because it was rusty. So then we had to deal with that issue. It wasn't fun, but we ended up rigging up some chains to hang up the front axle, and we made it home on just the rear axle. Definitely sketchy. Here we are at Lowe's trying to get some parts for the trailer to make it home. I just had an ACL knee surgery last week, so I got rights to use the mobility scooter at Lowe's. Always fun. Here I am towing a jack around the trailer, making it easy. Some more pictures of my $150 boat and the trip home. Stay tuned. The next video is going to show me cleaning and buffing the whole boat, interior and exterior, and trying to do a full restoration on it.